So finally I added another surface to the heatsink. So now I have two flat surfaces and you can see the inside. So what I'm thinking of improvement for my maybe next project. So if I'm gonna try to make this again, this heatsink again, what I will do to improve it, well, I don't think I added enough corrugated material inside. So my next design will probably will have I will have to put 2 to 3 cans, corrugated cans. So increase the folding more to fit 2 or 3 more cans inside because this feels a little bit light, so it would probably not absorb as much heat. So this is what I will do. Yeah, add 2 to 3 cans of iced tea cans. 2 to 3 of them could fit inside here if you increase the folding. Um, the glue, I don't like this idea adding this type of glue, the epoxy glue. I was thinking maybe use like some sort of heat resistant, what do you call it? So heat resistant glue. There are lots of heat resistant glues you could use. Just look up on eBay, you will find something. So there's I believe silicone, heat resistant silicones you could use, or you could use a tape if your heat sink you will if you're planning to use your heat sink short term. You could use these resistant tapes, heat resistant tapes that you use with the electronics. You could use it. So there are many different types of glues you could use, but I'm gonna try to experiment with silicones for my next design, and I will definitely add more cans inside of this to make it heavier and to make it handle more heat. And the second thing I want to do, improve my strategy in so I have to improve my strategy in folding. See, as you can see, the folding are not perfect. You see one side is folded less, so I'll have to use like some sort of ruler or something to fold it, to guide my folding and make it more straight. The second thing I want to do also, you can see the flat surface is not completely flat, and the reason why I didn't use anything to flatten it. So I will have to use some sort of tool to flatten the surface to make it more flat. So yeah, these are things I will probably do on my next design. And yeah, follow me for another part, part I think 3 or 4. Follow me for part 4 to show you to do the test on this. I will attach a Peltier plate as I promised, and see how much heat it can absorb. I have another unit. I have a heat. I do have a heat sink. I could compare it to a heat sink. See, I will see if the temperature, if one design, if one heat sink is better than the other heat sink. So we will see. I do have an already. I purchased a heatsink from eBay, so it's not as large as this, but it's designed. I use it to attach a Peltier plate, and it works perfectly fine. But I just had this curiosity whether I could make my own heatsink. So I want to try it to see if the one I purchased is better than the one I made or not. But obviously this is very limited. The one I made is limited because I didn't put as the inside. As I said, the inside here should have more cans inside. I should have more folding. So yeah, I will also compare. I will try to make another one like this and do a fair comparison. And I do think these things could handle a lot of heat if they are designed properly. Yeah, they could take heat. And yeah, so see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.